This says Sienna. Sienna love from Aunt Pat.
And that's the big.
This is Joanna. This is Anna. Joanna. Love from Aunt Pat. Can you open it up? Open it, just tear it up. Woo! What is that?
Good job, Anna.
What is that? Mickey and Minnie Mouse. Yeah. What is yours?
It's frozen.
Frozen, yes.
What do you say, Sienna?
Thank you.
Thank you, Aunt Pat. We love you, Aunt Pat. Look at that.
More stickles.
Oh my goodness! Wow.
Yeah. Stickles.
Wow, that's pretty cool. Who is that? Is that Minnie Mouse?
Okay.
I think he's little butt, but.
Stickles.